The 1980 Cadillac Eldorado, a true embodiment of luxury and sophistication. In deep royal blue with chrome accents, this classic beauty commands attention in any room it enters. With its sleek lines and iconic design, the Eldorado stands as a masterpiece of American automotive craftsmanship, a car that wasn't just built to be driven, it was designed to be admired. This Eldorado reflects Cadillac's commitment to excellence, elegance, and timeless appeal. From every angle, the 1980 Cadillac Eldorado reveals its sophistication. The hidden headlights and the chrome grille exude refinement, while the long, flowing lines of the body emphasize a sense of grandeur and prestige. Large white wall tires and gleaming chrome details give the car an unmistakable presence, one that defines the classic luxury of Cadillac. Step inside, and the luxury continues. The interior of the 1980 Eldorado offers unparalleled comfort, with plush tan leather seating and detailed wood paneling. Every inch of the cabin is designed to make you feel like royalty. The expansive dashboard, along with modern amenities like power windows and climate control, made the Eldorado the pinnacle of comfort and convenience in its time. The Cadillac emblem, proudly displayed on the front grille, represents decades of heritage. By 1980, the Eldorado had become a symbol of success and prestige, continuing Cadillac's legacy of leading innovation and luxury. The name Eldorado wasn't just a label, it signified Cadillac's dedication to crafting iconic, world-class automobiles. Under the hood, the 1980 Eldorado boasts a powerful V8 engine, delivering smooth and effortless performance. It wasn't just built for style, this car was engineered for a driving experience that combined strength and grace. With front-wheel drive and a finely tuned suspension, the Eldorado offered unparalleled handling for a car of its size, ensuring a ride that was as luxurious as it was commanding. The technology in the 1980 Eldorado was ahead of its time. With features like electronic climate control and power windows, this car made sure that luxury and convenience were always at your fingertips. Cadillac combined modern amenities with classic design, offering its drivers the best of both worlds: comfort, style, and innovation. The 1980 Cadillac Eldorado, a car that defines the era of luxury, innovation, and timeless beauty. Even today, it remains an icon of American automotive history, celebrated for its style and elegance. A symbol of Cadillac's legacy, the Eldorado is more than just a car, it's a piece of history, a timeless classic that will forever inspire admiration.